Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the laser lift. Now the laser lift is a very effective device to be using in conjunction with your facial exercises. And the reason why it's very effective is it will not overstimulate your skin. And if you're doing too much on your skin, you can overstimulate it and it could cause more trouble. But with a gentle device like this, it cannot cause any problems and it will only enhance your skin and help your facial exercises. So the first thing is I have actually had more power put into it. So it is a stronger device than before. So it's it's like a Mark II. So it does have a much stronger capacity. Now the capacity in it is that I have put into it is for the microcurrent. Now what a microcurrent does for your skin is it actually exfoliates the skin, and that's basically what it does. But also it does stimulate this little muscle underneath the skin that's attached to the skin. There's these little muscles, and as it stimulates this muscle, what happens is the muscle will pull the skin and then it will release and detach the dead cells. So it's very, very efficient in exfoliation. And that's why I don't have an exfoliator in the product line, because this is it. And it's a much better way of doing it because you're not scratching the skin, you're not, running grit over your skin to get the dead cells off. You're actually using it in a very, very efficient way to do that. Now, when you do exfoliate the skin with this device, what happens is your face ends up looking very polished, very fresh. The blood starts circulating around, and also the other thing that happens, it very gently starts stimulating and kick-starting the collagen production again in the skin. And that's something that's so important because when you get to a certain age, collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid are the three things that we lose that stop really producing in our skin. So what this does, it gives a little kickstart to get that happening again. That's why your skin starts to look very polished and very new and very fresh after using this device, after a treatment of this device. Now it's got a second thing in it, that it's got a little red light laser. Now if I touch that, the red light's going to come on. But we don't normally touch this, but I'm just showing you how it works. So you have to hold the device, you have to hold it by the pads, because that's what activates it after you turn it on. And then when you turn it on, the red light will not come on because it's a safety feature. So if you're turning the device on, you're turning these buttons on and you're looking at it and then the red light comes on, you don't want that. So basically it won't come on at first. When it does come on is when you touch your skin, and that's when you'll start to feel the microcurrent. Now you do need to use the serum to go with it. There are clinical trials on this device, and here's the link to it. Go have a look after the video, but there's the link to the clinical trials. So both the device and the serum have had clinical trials. And in those trials, I want to say to you, 3 weeks of use of the product, everybody, every single person, 100% of the people reported a total improvement in their skin. So that's something that is incredibly good and incredibly amazing, because normally clinical trials don't get those sort of results. And I have studied clinical trials and I've seen the results that some people actually are claiming they're getting, and certainly they're not getting that sort of improvement on their skin. Now, you have to use it with the serum. Now, I do say that you have to use the serum because if you don't, I cannot guarantee the results that you'll be getting that are based on the clinical trials. So, and the serum is very affordable. I mean, considering the ingredients that it has, top line ingredients, it has hyaluronic acid, it has gotu kola, it has kakadu plum, it has amazing top line ingredients, and it's so affordable. It's crazy affordable. But anyway, and I keep it affordable so people can afford it. So anyway, when you turn it on and you hold the 2 pads, and you have to hold those 2 pads. You can't hold it like this. You have to hold the 2 pads to make it work or to activate it. Then you touch it to your skin. Now I have created a way to use the device, and I won't go through that now, but you will see here that there is a way there to use it, and it shows you actually how to use it. But also there is a link here with a downloadable paper that you can download as well that will show you how to use it. Now I love this little device because it's this 2-in-1 factor of the red light therapy that feeds the basal layer of the skin, and as the cells are coming through, it gives this amazing look because they're so fresh and so clean and so healthy. And then added to the exfoliator, it is an amazing process that your skin will go through, and it will look so much better. It is a very gentle device. It will not hurt the skin. It does not hurt the skin in any way, shape or form. Also, you can take it with you. Like, you can take it with you wherever you go. If you're traveling interstate or another country, you don't have to take the you don't have to take an extra plug. All you need to do is just take some batteries, or you can get batteries from wherever, at a convenience store, wherever you're going to, or take them with you. But that's one of the reasons why, when I first looked at the device, was the ease and convenience of use of it. But what I wanted to tell you about also was, along with this, for Christmas, what I have decided to do is make a Christmas pack. So for anyone ordering up until the 3rd of December, you also receive this amazing makeup bag. And it's actually a makeup bag that people use, professional use, because I saw it on a set of, I forget what it was called now. It was one of the, anyway, I saw they were doing some back scenes in this show, and I saw this makeup bag that they were all carrying around. And I got really excited because I had the bag and I've got heaps of them there. So what I wanted to do was make this as part of the price of the laser lift, so it's free if you purchase a laser lift. Now, I wanted to let you know that it's a very sturdy bag. The PVC is very thick. It's quite a very thick PVC. The piping around the edges is just beautifully stitched, and all of the zips are very strong and sturdy, and they just won't come apart. I mean, I've had mine for a number of years now, and there is no sign of any wear and tear on that thing. You know, you might get a bit of makeup or something on it, but there's no wear and tear in it. It is an amazing bag, and it's quite big. It's got a shoulder strap on it so you can carry it around, and there's all these great little compartments in it that you'll find when you get it. There's all these little compartments that you can put your brushes into. In the front, maybe brushes or hair brushes or whatever it is you use, and then there are compartments in the back, and there's also compartments in the inside of it as well. It's actually quite exciting. I love it. I love this bag. I really do. And I do have my makeup in it, and I've got one actually over in the corner there, out of shot, that you can't see, but I've put my makeup in that as well. Actually, I'll grab it and I'll show you. Let me grab it. So this is it with makeup in it, and this is just a bit of my makeup. I've got tons of it in other places, but I use it obviously, for the channel and that. But this is how I use it, and it actually comes out to be quite large. It's actually quite a large bag, so you can see how large it is, and you can see everything that's in there that you need and can see, and it's great. And in the side there, I've got my brushes and other little things that I use. That one doesn't have anything in it. I'm going to have to find something to put in that. And I've got zips here where I've got all of the nail files that I use. So it's a really good bag. So this is something that I'm offering free for Christmas, so that you can have something really good to put your makeup into. Now, going with that, I've decided to also give you a travel pack of brushes. Now, these are all vegan brushes, really good quality brushes. The hair is not, it's not actually hair. They are vegan, and they've got all the things that you need. You've got a smudging sponge, you've got a chipping brush, you've got 2 blending brushes, you've got a blush brush, and you've got another little one for the eye, around the eye area if you want to go in a little bit more with a little bit, specific smudging. So this is a really good, still got the plastic on them, but this is the size of them, so you can actually see how big they are. They're quite large for a travel kit, and it is a 7-brush kit. So that will be going with your makeup bag, because I thought that, really at the end of the day, if you've got a makeup bag to put your makeup, you need brushes. If you are traveling or going somewhere and you can't find all your brushes, at least you've got a set of brushes that can stay in the bag at all times. So guys, I really hope that this is something that you might be thinking about getting. It's a really good time to do it because of the other specials that are with it. If you've got any questions, please ask in the link below and I'll be happy to answer. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. That'd be great. When you do, click the bell because the bell will give you notifications of when I've uploaded. All right, well, you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I hope that's a really special little Christmas gift for you. See you later, and we'll see you next time. Bye.